This is the Nothing Ear 1. Now I have the black color variant with me over here. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox these truly wireless earphones. So inside the main packaging we have another silver colored box. Now once we go ahead and open that, we have the Nothing Ear ones inside the charging case. Now apart from that, we have a USB type A to type C cable, and this is a braided cable which is highly appreciated. Now apart from that, we have some extra ear tips, and wait, I almost forgot, we have some paperwork as well which no one is going to read. And yeah, that's basically it for the box contents. Now speaking about the pairing process, then on the charging case of the Nothing Ear ones, right beside the type C port, you will see a pairing button. So just press and hold that button until it starts blinking. Now once you've done that, you'll have to go ahead and download the Ear One app from the Play Store. Then open the Ear One app. Now you will see a plus button, so go ahead and click on that. Now just make sure that your Nothing Ear ones are right beside your phone, and shortly a pop-up message will appear. So just hit pair and boom, that's basically it for the pairing process. So this is it. This is the Nothing Ear One. Now I have the black color variant as I mentioned a little earlier, and here are my initial thoughts. So first of all, the charging case, I feel it's slightly on the bulkier side. So yeah, that is one point you need to note. Apart from that, I feel the stem of the Nothing Ear ones is slightly shorter when you compare it to something like the Realme Buds Air 2. Now I've spent only 10 minutes with these earphones, and I have to say that these earphones are pretty comfortable. Now obviously it's too early to say anything, so I'm going to be using the Nothing Ear ones for the next 2 weeks and coming up with a detailed full review. So make sure to stick around for that, but I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.